Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will study about table. First, in last video we study about database, how to create a database and apply protection on that. So in this video, this is the second video of this series in which we will learn about table. A table is a collection of related data held in a table format within a database. Each table is made up of row and column. A table is made up of rows and columns. These are the rows and these are the columns. So the structure of row and column is table. A table model consists of vertical columns and horizontal rows. Columns will always be vertical and rows will always be horizontal. The cell being the unit where a row and column intersect. An intersection of row and column will create cells which contain data. What is row? Row are defined to hold records. Each row is used to hold records. A table can contain 0 or more rows. When there are 0, it's said to be empty. There is no limit on the number of rows a table can hold. A table can contain any number of rows. If a table contains 0 records, then we will say that empty table. Otherwise, if it contains some records, so that will be filled table. What are the columns? Columns are defined to hold a specific type of data such as dates, numeric, textual data. Definition of column is defined by its name and data type. While we are making a table and defining columns, in columns we have to keep in mind two things. First, name of columns. What will be the name of columns? Like it is name, it is age, it is date of birth. And what will be the data type? Like name is always in text, so its data type will be text. And age is always in number, so its data will be number or integer. And date of birth will always store in date format. So for a single column we have to define two things, that's name, identity, or data type of that column. Now all these things we will see practically. For this we will open the same database that will be created in last video. Now we'll go to create menu. There are three options to create table. So first option is table, then templates, and then table design. So first I am telling you table design. With the help of table design we will create a table like this. Suppose it is employee table. We will take employee ID. We will take this employee ID as number. Employee name will be in text. Age in number. Address in memo. Memo is a data type which can hold every type of value like text. It can hold number as well as characters and binary data also. Date of joining. Salary, currency. Marital status. Yes, no. Photo. OLE object. Email ID. Hyperlink. ID proof. Attachment. Like this we created this table, and almost all field I use in this table. We will save this table either from here or from here, or we can press Ctrl S also. Ctrl S. Employee table 1. there is no primary key defined, so I think there is no need to define primary key for this table because it is first table. What is the primary key and how we can define this, how we can define a primary key for a table, we will discuss this topic in next video. So here we will keep this option no. Table has been created. Double click to open this table and here we will enter data. For this we will right click, insert object, bitmap, OK. Paste from and resize this picture. And cross. To attach a document, double click on it, add, select a picture, OK. Like this we can fill records of an employee. In the same way we will fill record of second and third and so on. Now second record if you want to fill, if he is unmarried we will keep it unchecked. In paste from we will resize it, and after resize press on this crop, and after that cross this. For attachment double click, add. So like this we can create and fill data in a table. It is one method. In second method we will click on table button and from here we will click table, ID, name, OK. For name data type we will click in text box and will say text from here, then age. For age we will take number, then salary. For salary we will click here and we will take currency. Date of joining, for this we will take date and time. And after this address, for address we will take memo, email ID. For this we will take attachment, hyperlink. Like this we will create a table, we will save it from here and we will say employee table 2. OK. Now directly we can fill here, fill record over here, but ID will generate it automatically because it's become primary key and auto number. I will explain you all these concepts in next video, but here it is automatically generated. It is the second way how to create a table and fill record in that table. Next is table templates. Here are 5 templates which are, these are the already created template, already created tables. As soon as we will click any one of them, a table will create it, like contact. This table is of contact and is created now. We can give name it according to our choice. Employee table 3. OK. Now it is very lengthy table, so we have to resize it according to our choice. For this we will close this Right click over it, design view, and remove some fields from here. Like ID is okay, company I think no need of company. First name, last name will say simply name. Okay. Email address okay. Job title will take contact number. Home number delete. Address is okay, but all these things delete. So okay, now save, close, and double click on this table. Name Amir. Like this we can fill record in this table. So it is the second tutorial of this series in which I told you how we can make tables by using various type of option of MS Office, MS Access Office 2007. So we learned how we can create table and how we can fill data in those tables. If any problem you face in this tutorial, you can ask me through comment. If it seems to you helpful, you can share this, like this video, can share with your friends, and you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.